Hi, my name's Perry Unizzi, and Racer Robb Smith is one of my closest and dearest friends and one hell of a mentor in racing. When Robb's wife Wendy entrusted me with Robb's beloved Integra, I promised her I would finish what Robb started. This project isn't about me, it's much bigger than that. It's about honoring the legend of Robb and finishing what he started and getting this car on the racetrack where it belongs.
It hasn't run in 12 years. Are you amazed it started as easily as it did? But I know you had to do a lot of work to get it running.
You know what? I knew that he did everything right. He always done everything right. And I knew it would fire up with a bit of priming, but we did it. Very happy. Very happy.
We're very happy. Oh yeah.
My dear friend Robb never got the chance to finish this car or race it. So that's what we're going to do for him. We're going to finish what he started and get the Racer Robb Integra back on the track where it belongs.